好，接下来的这个项目呢，将给我们带来线下的展示，是 WOWMAX。Oh, okay, let's move on to the next project, WOWMAX. Warmly welcome the spokesman. Make a presentation for us. Welcome.
Okay. Hello, everyone. My name is Almir. I'm CEO and founder of WOWMAX. Thank you for coming. I'm coming from South Korea, long way. And this is the first time I present my project publicly. So very happy to be here. Maybe we first watch a video. It's in Chinese. I hope the translation is okay.
WOWMAX 是下一代 DEX 聚合协议，将利用滑点作为额外优化来源。当有人在 DEX 大量购买 AVAX 币时，它将改变雪崩币的价格。比如，如果您今天购买50万美元的 AVAX， 对 Trader Joe 的价格影响幅度将在5%左右，而对 One Inch Exchange 的价格影响幅度则近1%。价格波动意味着您购买的 AVAX 会比当前市场价格更贵，对 AVAX 价格的最终影响将更大。如果在 One Inch 上完成这笔50万美元的交易，在 Trader Joe AVAX 可能会升值5%左右，或在所有的 DEX 上升值1%。当 AVAX 价格上涨时，所有与 AVAX 直接配对交易的代币都会自动升值，但是与 USDC、DAI、USDT 和其他稳定币配对的代币价格不会波动。这样 WOWMAX 就可以为交易者创造更多有价值的套利机会。在单个聚合交易中 ，WOWMAX 将分配大量 AVAX 到多个 DEX， 最大化增加其数量。通过购买与稳定币配对的山寨币，并将其抛售给与 AVAX 配对的代币来进行套利。WOWMAX 总是给你更多。
Thank you for watching. I hope you understand, but I'll give you a very detailed explanation of what WOWMAX is. And we call it the best exchange rate in the world because this is in fact true. We've been working for 1 year already on the algorithm that can aggregate liquidity from decentralized exchanges and give you the best rate in DeFi. So how can I click the next slide? Doesn't work.
Okay, I have you.
Yes, please. We got investments from the head of trading and sales of a Goldman Sachs bank, and then from a crypto VC in Switzerland called Investment Solutions. And recently, other big exchanges like Crypto.com, OKX, and BitGet start supporting us. So I've been a speaker at Crypto.com AMA meetup last week, and OKX and BitGet added our technology into the wallets, and now we're proceeding with deeper integrations. Next slide, please. So maybe some of you don't know about decentralized exchanges that much. So actually, you know, there are two types of exchanges, centralized and decentralized. And centralized, you all know, like Binance, OKX, Huobi, but decentralized, maybe you don't know, like Uniswap, PancakeSwap, Curve. And this was very surprising that this time, for the first time in crypto, this month, the centralized exchanges reached about 25% volume of all centralized exchanges. So what we see here that the decentralized exchanges having more volume, having more users, and the trading and the users comes to decentralized exchanges. Next slide, please. So why trade on decentralized exchanges? First of all, You can trade with your own wallet, with your own MetaMask or Trust wallet, and basically the funds are secured if the exchange is good exchange. So you also can buy new tokens. So now we only have about 10,000 tokens, like according to CoinGecko. But in the future, I believe in the future will be millions of tokens issued by small companies, influencers, and those tokens will be traded on decentralized exchanges. And that's why we're building this platform. And of course, there's no censorship and registrations, KYC issues on decentralized exchanges, so it will be, it is more convenient to trade there. Please, next slide. So I'll tell you a little bit about the volumes. So currently, the centralized exchanges in total trade about $1 trillion per year. This is a very big number. So I even took $1 for you to understand. So if you put a stack of $1 bills, you can go around the earth 2.7 times. So this is a very big number, and it's now, you can check the statistics on dune.com, that's analytics website for the centralized world. And what is the problem of decentralized exchanges? So there are three major problems. First, liquidity is fragmented. So it means like there are some Bitcoins on one exchange, on another exchange, on the third exchange. So if you want to buy Bitcoins, a large amount, you cannot buy it from one exchange for the best price. It's better to take those Bitcoins from many exchanges. Another thing is that every time you trade on the centralized exchanges, you have a slippage. So it means that the more you buy, the worse price you get. And also it's very difficult to compare prices on exchanges, because there are so many exchanges and they come every week. There's a new exchange on some chains. So for the user, it's very difficult to compare prices. So that's why we build a WOWMAX that can aggregate this liquidity and always give you the best price. Maybe next slide. So there are a few DEX aggregators at the moment, like 1inch, Paraswap, Matcha, Cow Protocol, Kyberswap. And they all exchange about 200 billions per year, with 1inch is the market leader. So what our company was doing for the whole year, we were trying to develop algorithm which would be more efficient than any competitor. Next slide, please. So this is the theory how our protocol works. Imagine that you want to buy some Ethereum for USDT. And basically that's how all the aggregators are working. They use a USDT Ethereum pool to buy Ethereum from this pool. However, if you buy a very large amount, you cause slippage. So in this case, Ethereum price goes up. So what happens with a Bitcoin? In this pool, Bitcoin is traded with Ethereum. So in this pool, because Ethereum price went up, Bitcoin becomes more expensive in this pool. But in this pool, we see that Bitcoin is paired with USDT. So in this pool, Bitcoin is still cheap. So our innovation is that WOWMAX can aggregate and arbitrage at the same time in one transaction. So it buys Ethereum from this pool, but then it buys Bitcoin from this pool and then resells Bitcoin into the third pool. And that's how we generate more value for the trader. So the trader gets extra Ethereum from arbitraging Bitcoin. So let's see the next slide. So you can see this is an example how WOWMAX works on Kronos chain. So the user wants to buy here Ethereum for $300,000, And then here we can see there's a routing. So the routing means that we go to many, many exchanges and we arbitrage many other tokens like Bitcoin, CRO, USDC. So in fact, we give 20% more. So by using WOWMAX on Kronos chain, which is by crypto.com, you can get like 20% more value for your transaction. This is very huge. And the next slide. So, so this is on BNB. So we can give you a lot more than PancakeSwap and more than 1 inch. Sometimes like, you know, 10, 15 basis points. You can go and check yourself. This is the QR code that leads to our app. Can we see the website, please? The real one, yeah. Yeah, so this is a real case example. Maybe we can update the number 1,000 and 1,000 BNB, so it will be a real comparison. Just, you know, type the 1,000 number here. So here is the market leader, 1 inch. 1 inch exchanges about $1 billion per day. That's the market leader, and this is our new company. So I just it doesn't work. Okay. Well, maybe it doesn't work here, but you can compare later. Okay, let's move back to the presentation. No worry. Everyone can take this QR code and just go and compare themselves on the website. Please, next slide. So yeah, this is how we plan to make money. So we plan to charge a very, very small commission as low as 5 basis points on every trade. And that's the total DEX aggregation market. So this year, maybe we will target to get the revenue between 10 and 25 million. That's if we take 10 to 25% of a trading volume of the global market. Next slide. So our roadmap now, we are on Binance Smart Chain and we're on Kronos chain. But very soon we will be on Arbitrum, on ZK chains, and later this summer we'll launch on Ethereum. And we are proceeding now to integrate our technology into the largest crypto wallets and the crypto exchanges. So next slide, please. Here, this is me. So I'm coming from the trading background. I used to trade oil products at British Petroleum. Then I was a trader at Merrill Lynch in London. And please meet me on WeChat. I need more friends, you know. So, and if you want to integrate our technology in your products, yeah, you can connect to me. So thank you for your time. Thank you for your attention. If you have any questions, please ask.